Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Ika Permatasari. My birthday is 28 January 1995. I come from Bekasi of Indonesia. My height is 149 cm. My weight is 44 kg. I am single. My religion is Muslim. My age is 31 years old. I have work experience before in Malaysia 4 years from 2016 until 2020. My job is clean the house and laundry. And the second in Malaysia 3 years from 2021 until 2024. My job is take care Ama, clean the house, prepare for cooking and laundry. And the 3 in Singapore 1 years from 2024 until 2025, my job is take care baby 7 months, cooking, laundry, clean the house, and take care pet. I can cooking Indonesian or Chinese food like example Hong Sawu, Si Hong Sechitan, ABC soup, fried rice, chicken rice, fried chicken, fried noodle. And I can handle, cook, and eat the pork. I'm not scared of big or small dog. I want to go to Hong Kong because I need more money for myself and my family. I promise I will finish contract for 2 years or more. I finish introduced. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.